Have you ever found yourself flipping through glossy home decor magazines, absolutely mesmerized by those stunning, textured art pieces hanging on the walls of luxury homes? Maybe you've even paused, zoomed in, and wondered how much those incredible pieces must cost, wishing you could bring that same high-end vibe into your own space, without the jaw-dropping price tag. Well, what if I told you that you don't need to spend hundreds, or even thousands of dollars to get that designer look? In fact, you can create your own show-stopping three-dimensional wall art for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at your favorite cafe. That's right, luxury style, on a shoestring budget. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super simple, step-by-step process to make your own textured masterpiece right at home. You don't need an art degree, years of experience, or even a steady hand. All you need is a little creativity, a few basic supplies, and the willingness to have some fun. By the end of this, you'll have a piece that looks like it belongs in a high-end gallery, but was made by you for a fraction of the cost. If you can spread frosting on a cake, you can absolutely do this project. It's all about layering, playing with texture, and letting your imagination run wild. There's no right or wrong way, just your unique touch. We'll be using simple, affordable materials you can find at any craft store, or maybe even things you already have at home. Think canvas, some plaster or joint compound, a spatula or even an old credit card, and a bit of paint. No need for expensive tools or rare supplies. This is about making art accessible and fun for everyone. The beauty of this project is in the texture and the imperfections. Every swipe, every ridge, every little bump adds character and makes your piece one of a kind. Don't stress about making it perfect. Embrace the process and let your creativity shine. Imagine transforming a blank wall into a statement piece that instantly elevates your space. With just a little time and effort, you can give your home that designer upgrade you've always dreamed of, without breaking the bank or sacrificing your personal style. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get creative? Gather your supplies, clear a little workspace, and let's dive in together. Your dream home is just one DIY project away. Let's make some art. Ready to create stunning, high-end art without breaking the bank? Here's your ultimate budget-friendly shopping list for luxury-inspired DIY wall art, all for under $30. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these supplies are easy to find, affordable, and perfect for transforming your space with a personal touch. First up, grab a 16x 20-inch canvas. This size is ideal for making a statement piece, and you can usually find one for about $10 at most craft or big box stores. If you want to go bigger or smaller, adjust your budget accordingly, but this size is a great starting point for most walls. Next, pick up a small tub of pre-mixed joint compound for around $8. This versatile material is the secret to achieving that luxe, textured look you see in designer pieces. It's easy to work with and gives your art a sculptural, dimensional feel. You'll also need a set of plastic putty knives, which cost about $5. These tools come in different sizes and shapes, letting you experiment with various textures and patterns. They're lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for spreading joint compound smoothly or creating bold, artistic strokes. Finally, choose a sample pot of wall paint in your favorite color, usually just $5. Sample pots are a budget-friendly way to get high-quality paint in trendy shades, and one pot is more than enough for a single canvas. Pick a color that matches your decor or go bold with something unexpected. Altogether, your total comes to around $28. Want to save even more? If you don't have a canvas, try using primed cardboard or upcycle a thrifted framed art piece. Just add a coat of primer, and you've got a sturdy, eco-friendly base for your masterpiece, often for just a couple of dollars or even free. When shopping, head to the paint aisle for joint compound. Make sure to get the pre-mixed kind for easy application. It's usually right next to the spackling and drywall supplies, and you'll find plenty of options in small, affordable tubs. Plastic putty knives are your go-to for creating texture. Use the edge for crisp lines or the flat side for smooth, sweeping motions. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is where your creativity shines. With just these few items, you'll have a simple, effective, and super affordable toolkit for making your own designer-inspired wall art at home. No fancy equipment or expensive materials needed, just creativity and a willingness to try something new. Now that you've got your supplies, let's move on to prepping your canvas and getting ready to create your own unique piece of art. Before the fun starts, let's take a moment to set the stage for your masterpiece. Prepping your canvas isn't just a step, it's the foundation for everything that comes next. A little care now means your creativity can flow freely later. Start by protecting your workspace. Lay down some newspaper, a drop cloth, or even an old sheet to keep your table or floor safe from splatters and spills. This simple step saves you from messy cleanups and lets you focus on the fun part, making art. If you're working with a brand new canvas, you're already ahead of the game. Most store-bought canvases come pre-primed and ready for action, so you can jump right in. But if your canvas feels a bit rough or you're reusing an old one, give it a quick coat of white acrylic paint or primer. This creates a smooth, even surface that helps your colors pop and your textures shine. Let it dry completely before moving on. Next, think about your design. If you like to plan ahead, lightly sketch your idea with a pencil, just enough to guide you, not so much that it shows through your finished piece. Or, if you're feeling spontaneous, skip the sketch and let your imagination lead the way. Now, it's time to prep your joint compound. Scoop some into a bowl and stir it well with a spatula or spoon. You want it to be smooth and creamy, like thick frosting. No lumps, no dry spots. This will make it easier to spread and shape on your canvas. Finally, gather your tools. Lay out your putty knives, spatulas, or any other tools you want to use. Having everything within reach keeps you in the creative zone, so you can focus on expressing yourself. Now you're all set. Let's get messy and make something amazing. Time for the best part, creating texture. Scoop joint compound onto your canvas and spread it with your putty knife. Experiment with angles for different effects, low for smooth, high for ridges. Follow your sketch or freestyle arches, lines, or patterns. Use notched tools for modern designs or your fingers for softer edges. Don't stress about mistakes, just scrape off and try again. Keep shaping until you love the look, then let it dry completely. Patience pays off. Let's paint. Once your art is dry and hard, it's time to paint. Choose a matte or eggshell finish in a color that fits your space, or leave it white for a minimalist vibe. Use a brush to cover all the nooks and crannies. One coat is usually enough. Paint the sides for a polished look. Let it dry, then hang or lean your masterpiece wherever you want. Step back and admire your custom, high-end art. You did it! Want your art to look truly designer? Hang it where side lighting creates dramatic shadows on the texture. Remember, less is more. Simple, repeated shapes look most expensive. Use your putty knife at different angles for varied effects, and try a notched trowel for perfect lines. For a twist, mix paint into the joint compound for colored texture. Share your creation and inspire others to get creative. Every wall deserves a little luxury,